So he helped me take the bed out today. It was really nice of him. He's making fun of how the room looks ghetto again, but you know, whatever. I gotta clean up. It's messy right now. My mom's picking me up and we're going out for dinner. And since I know I'm going out for dinner, I'm trying really hard today to not overeat. And all I've had all day is oatmeal and it's like 2 o'clock and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm so hungry. Newsom, so you must donate. If you donate, you can get a star. Dockery. I don't know that one. Yeah, I want popcorn. You can get popcorn. Oh, look at the stairs. You know the last time I was here, it was for a Rocky Horror Picture Show? Really? Yeah. My Florida adventure includes popcorn. Whoops. Do you hear they're playing? Yeah. I never understood why they put couches and stuff in the bathroom. Wow. Are we going up more? You want to go to the very top? It's not like I haven't seen this movie 10,000 times. Come on, dude, walk. What are you doing? Managed to get out the door by 9 o'clock. Still hot as fuck. Try a little earlier for tomorrow. Stop. There's eggs on the ground over here. All over. But I don't see a bird's nest up in the tree. So maybe they're snake eggs? Or maybe I just don't see the bird's nest. The thing I made, I want to just, these boys just switch TV. So the little one, Levy, was watching TV and Min come over and was like, can I watch TV? And Levy was like, okay, cool. And he handed him the remote. And then fucking Min just finished watching TV and handed the remote back to Levy. I just watched them without a parent involved, like, be sweet brothers to each other. Just freaking good kids right here. Min's so sweet. He's trying so hard not to smile right now. Look how red his cheeks are getting. Oh boy, how cute. Look at him. He's hiding. Oh, it's the cutest kids ever. So got the last little bit of the movie theater popcorn I took home. I put extra butter on it, and I still have it, and I'm finna eat it, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth real good. I hurted myself a little bit at my sister's house. I was trying to catch cereal in my mouth, you know how I do, and the kids were all laughing, and I was really getting into it, and I did a squat a little bit too hard, and my ankle popped, and now it hurts. Like, it actually hurts. Like, yeah. Hopefully when I wake up tomorrow it'll be okay. It's not more swole though. It's pretty. Over here. Oh, let's go this way. Come on, go. Let's go straight. That's another reason why there's so many mosquitoes. So pretty though.